Architecture is not just a craft, it is an art that requires skill, precision, and creativity. In this video, we'll show you architectural techniques and tips to make your work easier, faster, and better. If your refrigerator isn't maintaining the temperature properly, simply heat the door seal with a hair dryer to make it seal tightly again. Here's an excellent solution for a mesh fence. Use PVC protective tape to secure the fence, reduce visibility, and improve its overall appearance. Don't forget the importance of pipe insulation, as it can save heat, and this method can perfectly accomplish the task. Did you know that a belt can be used to tighten screws quickly and make the process twice as efficient? With this hack, you can perform the quickest pipe repairs if one suddenly bursts. This construction worker is revealing the secret to perfectly restoring bricks using just cement and a bit of dye. Have you been considering a safe for your valuables? We've found an ideal hidden spot behind your bathroom tiles. These skilled workers don't require a crane. They've figured out a clever way to unload a 150 kilogram cement pipe using only a single rope. Everyone forgets which drawer their tools are in. But now it's not a problem, because you can place whatever you need on this magnetic tool rack, and it doesn't take an hour to build. You might think a pile of broken slabs is useless, but if you fill the mosaic with epoxy resin and cut it into pieces, you'll create an amazing bar barricade. You can start collecting empty bottles at home now, as they can greatly simplify the process of marking pipes. The workers used a stencil technique to restore the wall to its original appearance. Even old PVC pipes can be put to good use, such as being repurposed into a couch like this one. You can mark precise drilling locations with just a piece of chalk. A few metal pipes spared these guys from some arm and back pain. Simply wrapping the cement can save you a lot on expensive gravel costs. It's merely a piece of paper, yet it will make your caulking job much easier. Save time and effort by using drones to transport building materials. This handyman will show you the correct method for cutting tiles. To achieve flawless tile joints, use painter's tape or duct tape to cover the edges. This person will show you how to build your own wind turbine using only basic materials. You can easily turn an old fan into a new garden rake. This primitive technique gives ordinary walls more three-dimensional appearance. Just a few simple cuts spur all that's needed to fit decking right into a column. This has to be the best way to insulate an electrical box, allowing you stress-free way to cut a shape in a wall safely. You don't need to replace the entire pipe. This simple partial replacement method will save you a lot of time and money. Surprisingly, all it takes to optimize the entire cutting process is one pallet truck and a partner. Other construction sites use giant cranes to install prefab floor panels. These craftsmen use their own machines to get the job done. When it looks like your favorite dishware has been broken beyond repair, you can still try this nifty little hack with instant noodles. Now check out this unusual way of painting walls using nothing but a plaster smoothing tool. It's way better than regular wallpaper. Once you see this mortar measuring device in action, you'll understand how many working hours it saves for masons. How many people does it take to unscrew a light bulb in a hard-to-reach place? Just one. Assemble the plywood parts one by one and make your spiral staircase dream come true. This is what I call work smarter, not harder. Got any leftover PVC pipes? Why not repurpose them into a storage space that will be incredibly useful in your workplace? Before you toss out that plastic water container, turn it into a vacuum cleaner filter to catch all the dirt. Introducing bent lamination techniques. This piece will be used to create an oval tabletop. This clever individual discovered a method to texture wet cement using an ordinary broom. Did you know you can use a regular compass and a pencil to make accurate marks on an uneven surface? A tape measure allows you to make precise and efficient cuts in drywall. All it takes to improve your life is a palette and a little bit of work. And the result, a comfortable, swinging bench for relaxing. Using this wave method, a single person can easily install EPDM rubber on a flat roof. It's time to empty those coin jars. This incredible coin floor will make your bathroom look fantastic. A skilled master can easily make circular cuts with just a tape measure. All you need to complete this task is some sand and a shovel. Pouring concrete over an umbrella may sound odd, but it creates a unique garden decoration. The chimney is a crucial step in making a strong roof. All you need is cement and roofing slates to create a 3D aquarium. This handyman is proving that an oil tank can be used for more than just storing fuel. It can also be converted into a portable stove. By preparing a wooden template, you can easily cut corners of all shapes on drywall. Using this clever technique, you can create a filter gutter by combining plastic bottles and PVC pipes. We've all seen bricks laid horizontally, but this unique method of hanging arched bricks will definitely impress you. It seems that anything can be used as a leveling tool, if you're inventive enough. You should know this clever trick for making an adapter to connect a hose to a faucet. It's absolutely perfect. The process of applying a white coating to a tire with a special tool is truly captivating. Tiles often don't bond well with brick in most cases, unless you know this unique method. Knowing how to operate an excavator can make any task easier. These workers have found an extremely easy way to unload heavy bricks from a truck with almost no effort. This small Pringles package finally solves the problem of storing wet paint rollers after work. This master showed us how to cut wood planks without bending your back or moving at all. This clever construction worker built an entire house using old bottles, and it looks incredibly cool. With this homemade debris collector, your home will stay clean even after removing material from the ceiling. Check out this cost-effective foundation made from a mix of tires, rocks, and sand. Instead of discarding old tires, why not repurpose them into a striking chair for your backyard? By applying painter's tape like this, you can make a perfectly even tire seal and keep the area clean. Why go for real bricks when you can simply create a brick texture using a sponge? Why bother with paint to create patterns on the ceiling? This guy has a better idea. How about using fire? If your shower pressure is weak, you can enhance it using ordinary plastic bottles. These workers have discovered that using magnets can simplify a challenging task like pulling. This woman has automated the laundry process. That's it for this video. Let me know in the comments what you found most useful. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. We will see you next time.